Hello, children. Good morning. Hope you are doing well. Yesterday, we have read about this magnificent Mary, the great Indian boxer Mary Kom, and I told you about that she belonged to a very poor background where the parents were farmers and she had to do work also for earning the livelihood and but one thing was that in the end it was said that she was interested in different kind of games and in the beginning initially means in the starting in the beginning initially she participated in several athletic competitions. Athletic competition, what are the athletic competition like running and there are many kind of races like 100-meter race, 200-meter race, 500,000-meter race, hurdle race. Okay, and these all comes like jumping, etc. All these are athletic games. Jumping, long jump, high jump, these are all the athletic games. So initially means in the beginning Mary Kom was interested in athletic competitions, but what happened, but soon took up boxing after being highly inspired by the famous Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh. There was a Manipuri boxer called Dinko Singh. She was inspired with him because Dinko Singh was a very good boxer, and she liked him, and she was inspired by him. You get inspired. We get inspired when somebody inspired with Sachin Tendulkar and start becoming, cricketer, and somebody is inspired with some other player and he want to be that like that. So here you can see that Mary Kom was inspired with Dinko Singh. However, her father, who was a boxer in his early days, did not encourage her as he considered boxing to be a male sport. His father was also a boxer in his early times. Means when his father was young and like a player, he also tried for in boxing, but now he is doing farming. But he did not encourage her. He did not support her because his father thought that this boxing is a game. This is not suitable for girls. He thought so. He did not encourage her. He did not promote her, isn't it? So because he thought that it is a male sport. his father his father thought that the boxing it is a male sport, means boys they can play, not this is not for girls. Girls are very tender. He thought that Mary wouldn't be able to find a suitable groom if she continued boxing. Also, he was thinking that the Mary will not get a suitable groom. Groom means groom and bridegroom. Like bridegroom means when the people marry, then one is bride and one is groom, isn't it? So the male is groom and the female is bride. You know pretty well groom and bride. So his father was worried that if Mary start choose boxing as a career, then I don't think that anybody could marry her because nobody would like a female, a girl who like a boxer. Okay, so it was his thinking, but it's not like that. So he was worried that a suitable groom will not he will not get if she choose this boxing as a career. Despite all objections, Mary continued boxing even though she had no support from her family in the early days. But now Mary was determined. Now everybody was objecting, और despite all objection, सभी जो objections थे, जो लोगों की जो ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहे थे, जो लोग मना कर रहे थे, इतनी बहुत ज़्यादा जो रुकावटें थी, इतनी सारी रुकावटों के बावजूद, डिस्पाइट ऑल ऑब्जेक्शंस, इन सब बाधाओं के बावजूद मैरी कंटिन्यूड बॉक्सिंग, मैरी ने बॉक्सिंग को कंटिन्यू किया, उसको जारी रखा, इवन दो सी हैड नो सपोर्ट फ्रॉम हर फैमिली, उसकी फैमिली से भी उसको सपोर्ट नहीं था, इवन दो, जबकि सी हैड नो सपोर्ट फ्रॉम हर फैमिली इन द अर्ली डेज, जबकि शुरुआत के दिनों में उसकी फैमिली की तरफ से भी कोई सपोर्ट उसको नहीं मिल रहा था, फादर तो चाहते नहीं थे कि वो बॉक्सिंग करे। सी कुडंट इवन अफोर्ड प्रॉपर शूज एंड स्पोर्ट गियर फॉर हर सेल्फ, तो वो अपने लिए प्रॉपर शूज़ भी नहीं परचेज कर पा रही, भाई फैमिली सपोर्ट तो कर नहीं रही, फादर मना कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ें वो कैसे वो मतलब जो है कि वो करती। तो गियर व्हाट इज द गियर इज एनी इक्विपमेंट इन दिस बॉक्सिंग, हाँ, तो गियर, ओके, so these are the shoes and gear, they are very important for boxing, but she was not able to buy that because the family was not in support. She also had to hide from her father during the practice sessions, or she had to do practice hiding the father, because if father sees, then he will be angry, because he don't want, he didn't want that she become a boxer, but she determined that I will be a boxer. So you can see how much difficulties there are. Family is even not supporting, family is poor, and no sources, she don't have shoes, she don't have other equipments for that are helpful in, so nothing, she was having such kind of difficulties were present, but she did not lose hope, लेकिन उसने उम्मीद अपनी नहीं छोड़ी। सी आल्सो हैड टू हाइड फ्रॉम द फादर ड्यूरिंग द प्रैक्टिस सेशंस, उसको अपने फादर से भी प्रैक्टिस सेशन में, जब प्रैक्टिस वो करती थी तो उसके दौरान ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम सी हैड टू हाइड, उसको छुपना पड़ता था। मैरी कॉम्स कैरियर स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 2000 आफ्टर हर विक्ट्री इन द मणिपुर स्टेट वुमेन्स बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप एंड द रीजनल चैम्पियनशिप इन वेस्ट बंगाल। तो व्हाट हैपेंड, मैरी कॉम्स करियर स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 2000 में, ईयर 2000 में मैरी का जो करियर था वो स्टार्ट हुआ आफ्टर हर विक्ट्री इन द मणिपुर स्टेट वुमेन्स बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप, जबकि उसकी जो विक्ट्री हो गई, जब उसकी जीत हुई, विक्ट्री मीन्स जीत होता है, विक्ट्री इन द मणिपुर स्टेट वुमेन्स बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप, मणिपुर का जो स्टेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप था उसको उसने जीता 2000 में, तब उसका जो करियर था वो स्टार्ट हुआ। एंड द रीजनल चैम्पियनशिप इन वेस्ट बंगाल, और एक वेस्ट बंगाल में एक चैम्पियनशिप थी, उसको उसने जीता था ईयर 2000 में, यहाँ तक उसका जो है वो स्टार्ट हुआ। सो यहाँ से उसका करियर स्टार्ट होता है। इन 2001 सी स्टार्टेड competing at an international level 2001 में फिर वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे चली गई। सी वॉज ओनली 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA, what is AIBA? International Boxing Association, International Boxing Association, AIBA, International Boxing Association, it is AIBA, है ना, वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियनशिप इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, विनिंग अ सिल्वर मेडल इन द 48 किलोग्राम वेट कैटेगरी। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी वेंट टू द दिस फर्स्ट डेब्यू वाज देयर and she was only 18 years old and she went to USA, United States, and she won silver medal in 48 kilogram category. Her weight was 48 kilograms and she won a silver medal. Mary won the first women's boxing championship in 2001. In the same year, and in the same year means 2001, she won the women's boxing championship. She won the second position in the women's world amateur boxing championship in the 48 kilogram category. So she also won this 48 kilogram category world amateur boxing championship. She also won the world championship in the year 2002, 2005 and 2006. Here you can see 2001 she won, then 2002 she won, then 2005 she won, then again 2006 she won. As a result, she was nicknamed as Magnificent Mary. Now so you can see that how many times 1, 2, 3, isn't it? You can see 4, 5. 5 times she won this world championship. So that's why we nowadays call her what? Magnificent Mary. What do we call? Magnificent. Magnificent means very, very beautiful. Magnificent means very, very beautiful. What do you mean by magnificent? Magnificent means very, very beautiful. So this is what actually beautiful is one that does beautiful. It's not like that ki somebody who is looking in looks someone is beautiful, then that one is beautiful. Beautiful is one that does beautiful things, the beautiful works. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam did a number of good things, so he is beautiful. Do you understand? So beautiful is one that does beautiful. So when we say Magnificent Mary, it means that her works are very good. Okay, it's not like that we never appreciate physical charms. We appreciate your talent. We appreciate your works. She gave our country moments of proud. Okay, our country can proud on her because she gave medals for our country. She gave name and fame to our country. So I hope it is clear too. So magnificent means very, very beautiful. So my next let's find out what's the next written. Mary married K. Onler-Com. Mary married to K. Onler-Com in the year 2005. 2005 में उसने जो है वो K. Onler-Com नाम के एक शख्स से शादी कर ली. She married K. Onler-Com and gave birth to her twin sons. She gave twin sons, जुड़वा बच्चे, twin sons, 2 जुड़वा बच्चों को उसने जन्म दिया. Richunwar and Kupenwar. Richunwar and Kupenwar. These are the names. The children that she gave birth. Richunwar and Kupenwar. Richunwar and Kupenwar. In 2007, she took a break from the game during this time. So when she was giving birth to the babies, at this time she took a break. I hope you understood this. So I will send you certain questions based on this reading, and you will see this. Okay, and watch it again. If you have any confusion, watch this video again and ask me in the doubt session if there is any doubt. Thank you.